Hi everyone, I'm Gary with Benco Dental. I'm here today to talk to you about a really unique product, something your office should not be without. This is a product that takes what you have left over in a cartridge of impression material or alginate substitute material, and it transfers it into a new tube. This is called our VPS transfer connector, and I'm moving material from one container over to the other. You'll never have to throw away a container that has a little bit of product left in it. The product is very inexpensive, and it's something your office, once you try it, you'll never want to be without. Brand name quality and performance with Benco branded products. You never have to sacrifice to save. Check out benco.com or talk to one of your friendly Benco Dental representatives for more information. Thanks so much.